this is Kimberly. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here in Inspirada. This is a model home built by Lennar Homes in Lucca community. I wanted to show this model. It's because there's two homes under one roof. I'll show you what I mean. Let's go. Right when you enter, it looks like an ordinary normal home. This is a dining area, living space, and a kitchen. The backyard, the model home shows a finished backyard, but have that in a consideration in your budget that it comes with a dirt. So you have to do your own landscaping. So make that a note that it should be added to your budget. So I mentioned that there is two homes within one roof. And this is what I meant by that. So right when you enter this door, this will lead to a NextGen suite. So this is more like a casita, an extra living space, which is separated from the main home. And this is just the powder room. And when you enter, this is the living space. And then you do get a kitchenette. Bathroom. And the bedroom, pretty good size, with a walk-in closet and a washer and dryer. So this unit is completely separate from the main house. You can use it as extra income or in-law suite because look, it has a separate entry to this unit. Now we are upstairs, and this is a great space for family activities. Nowadays, more people are calling Inspirada their home. It's because there's so many parks, so many shopping centers, great schools, all the new homes building and still building. And also, there is a station casino resort planned to complete next year in Inspirada. So we still have so many new developments coming up, and also new homes are still building and keep going. And this is a balcony from the primary bedroom. The views are not guaranteed because different lots have different views. So all the views are not always guaranteed. This is a laundry space, and I love this space because it has so much storage. Going into second bedroom. It's a nice space, and it has a walk-in closet. Second bathroom with double sink, tub shower. And then the third bedroom. And this one has a nice walk-in closet as well. This model home is 4-bedroom and 3.5 bathroom, including the NextGen, and it's around 3,000 square foot and starting at low 700Ks. There are many other communities that has a NextGen model, so if you are interested in this particular model, let me know. I'll show you where other locations with different pricing are available as of now. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'll see you next time.